On vigor of the waves of skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning, rise and rain. Far from the fjords and the ice-cold currents, raving soar over new frontiers. Songs and sagas of a Petite German, shields and spears. Vows of favor or the thrill of plunder, pulled together for the clan and kin. Clank of hammers and the crash of thunder, pound within. Oh, oh, the echoes of eternity. Oh, oh, Valhalla calling me.
This one right here, right? Okay, that's what I thought.
Okay. We'll see how it works.
So are we gonna mess around or
Yeah.
are we gonna ride?
You want me to mess around more?
Got your keys.
That's not what I'm looking for. Looking for this. Take that one. No, these are the halves are mine. Yeah, that's my guy. Okay. So, I don't need to have
I wasn't
a
gonna
cloudy
ask you.
day today. Well, if I'm stopping having lunch, I don't want to have the visor if the sun's in my face.
We need a cord there. Okay,
No, I got the little one
okay. Let's go back into the thing or what?
in there.
In there.
Good.
In there. Okay.
Get my car keys back out.
Okay. Go lock with a car key. That's good. Okay, fearless leader
I'm the fearless leader.
or fearful leader.
Something. Okay.
Hit the road, Jack.
Okay. Oh no. No.
No, I'm okay. Oh, I was gonna say, on the right side was for the short guy. We're going underneath the tree branch back there. Oh. Oh, it was right here was okay. I just comes and go. Can you make up your mind? I thought it was a left ear that you couldn't hear. Now your right ear.
No, my right ear is a little weak. My left ear is fine. But
Is that right?
besides that, you don't pass people on the right.
I wasn't past you. I was on the right side.
Going around like I wouldn't feel either.
No, I was coming up there.
I'm looking for going up that one. So it looks like it's going to be fairly dry, huh? One of the loops might be closed
Oh,
because of the rain we've had along the river.
yeah, it could be muddy.
Well, this is a little wet here yet. It's a killer rabbit.
Jesus Christ! I warned you.
And a killer chipmunk.
Oh, little bunny. Oh,
Remember Monty Python, the killer rabbit?
yeah, kind of.
No, it was from the Holy Grail.
Holy Grail.
And they had the cross somewhere and the rabbit just ripped their arms off.
On the night, none shall pass.
Well, that was that too.
Mini moles. Spit on your palm and hit it with your finger. That's Tom Sawyer's way. Yeah, you go up and then make a right. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I should bring my paper GPS next time. Yeah, do that with a compass. Good old magnetic compass. Do the bearing and the estimate. Hi, how you doing? Hi, how are you? There's any mosquitoes here. I don't know. Yeah, it makes a loop. Big clockwise, counterclockwise. According to what I see here, it's to go, I don't know. I just follow you. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, good in the handlebars higher. Okay. Yeah, that makes a loop around, right? There's two loops ahead of us. On the left. All right. Oh, we got a branch here. And you got to run over it. This is for short guy.
They call that a widowmaker.
Yeah. I'm coming.